Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Law Unscripted. Today we are tackling lecture number 1 for property. So what type of deed could I get? If I am the grantee myself, I want my dad to give me a general warranty deed. That's what I'd love. That's really what I want. Thanks, Dad. Thanks for the house. Can you make sure it's a general warranty deed? There are 6 covenants of title that pass with the general warranty deed. This is the best possible deed you could get. If you have never bought a house or you intend to buy another property at some point in your future, you want to get a general warranty deed because the grantor is giving you 6 guarantees that follow the deed with you, that he has to cover you. So the future covenants, they have 3 future covenants of title. These run with the land, they're breached in the future, and the grantor would be liable to the grantee for them, okay? It's an indemnification. I promise that I will take care of you if this happens with reference to ownership. These are title defects. So it's a covenant of quiet enjoyment. This is where the seller promises, it's grantor, but we're going to use seller and buyer in this case. So please understand, it's just easier to say. The seller promises that no one with the superior title will disturb the buyer's possession and enjoyment. So dad says, you know what? I'm the one who has title. I'm making a covenant of quiet enjoyment that I am the only one with right title, and I'm giving it to you so that you can enjoy this land free and clear of any other problems, of any lawsuits, of anybody trying to take the land from you. That's what I'm giving you. He also makes a covenant of warranty, requiring my dad to defend and indemnify me against any future claims of people with superior title. So he says that I have the right to full enjoyment of the land. It's now mine. If someone threatens that, I will come in and defend you for it, as long as it happened with superior title to yours. The third is further assurances that the grantor, my dad, will take whatever steps are reasonably necessary to perfect the grantee's title. So in these future covenants, my dad is saying, I'm going to transfer this land to you. Here's the deed. I'm giving it to you. And I'm going to promise you under this general warranty deed that I'm giving you title, that if someone claims a superior title, that I will protect you against it, and I will indemnify you from any losses that you receive as a result of defending the title that I have given you. The 3 present covenants are those that are provided upon immediate transfer and delivery. This is right to season. It's SEISIN, saying, hey, I promise I am the actual possessor of this property. I have the interest, I have the ownership interest in the real property. I have the right to convey it. So that's the second part. I actually possess it under right to season, and under right to convey, I have the legal authority to transfer it to you. I own it, I have authority to sell it. And then I covenant against encumbrances. I promise that there are no encumbrances on the property other than what's actually in the deed. So there's no easements, there's no, zoning issues. I am whatever restrictions, if any, on this land are in this deed. And if they are not in this deed, I am promising that there aren't any. So I'm making warranties that this is good title, and then I will indemnify you for any action claiming superior title to the land that I am giving you.